Alright, this is the first video, Refraction of Light Labs Part A and B. We're doing Part A right now, where we're looking at the movement of light from air to water and analyzing the angles of refraction and whatnot. Unfortunately, our plastic dishes with the water, where we're supposed to be placing the water, has been cracked, so we're going to use just a glass prism to kind of simulate the same sort of effect, and we will position for this set of labs, Part A, from air to water, we're going to position our lens right there like that, and then send light rays along these paths here from 0 degrees all the way to 60 degrees, and then trace out the refracted light rays. They're going to come out the other end, and then we'll use another video to actually look at how we're going to fill in the chart, calculate the sine of the angles and the ratio of the sines of angles, etc. Okay, so what we want to do is put our lens, or a prism, sorry, on this horizontal line right here, so that the lens is actually divided as best we possibly can determine into an equal left and right side. And then what we will do is take our ray box and shine the light along each of those paths here. Okay, and the first thing that we're going to do is shine light through the prism, okay, along the normal as best we possibly can, so that it's hitting the prism at a 90-degree angle. You can see here that the light's actually passing straight through and staying on the normal. So if the angle of incidence is 0 degrees, then the angle of refraction is also 0 degrees. All right, and we'll fill that in our chart a little bit later. Now, if we send light through here at 10 degrees, and we got to kind of adjust it a little bit so we're getting that to happen, then we want to trace out our refracted light ray here, and then what we'll do is, once we remove the prism, we'll actually use a ruler to bring it back to the point of incidence. Now we do the same thing for 20 degrees. Our angle of incidence is 20 degrees, and it's coming out right there. And then we go to 30 degrees and try to get that as centered on the light ray as we possibly can, and then trace out the refracted ray. And there's going to be a little bit of imperfection and error here, and then we'll do the same thing for the 40-degree incident ray, trace out the refracted ray, and then we're going to go to 50 degrees, try to get it as perfect as we can. There's the refracted ray, and now we're going to do the 60-degree incident ray and draw our refracted ray as follows. So what we'll do is we'll just do a second video here, and we'll take all those refracted rays and bring them back to the point of incidence using your ruler. Okay, and there'll probably be some other videos for measuring the angles with a protractor and filling in our chart appropriately.